This week I'm doing problem number 4, which says that given a square ABCD, the point E is on BC and the point F is on CD, so that EC equals CF equals 7 and BE equals FD equals 3. Let the angle A equal angle EAF. Find sine of A. So we want to find angle EAF. So I drew this diagram that has all the measurements. And so what we want to do is we want to find these two sides, and what we can do is use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we're going to do 3 squared plus 10 squared equals h squared, and then that's going to be 9 plus 100 equals h squared. So these sides are going to be the same, and they're going to be equal to square root of 109. And then what we want to do is find this side. So we can use a squared plus b squared equals c squared again. So 7 squared plus 7 squared equals h squared, and h is going to be equal to the square root of 98. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take this triangle AEF, right, AEF, and we're going to split it in half so that we can find the angle A. So we have two triangles, 109. These are right triangles, and then the square root of 98. So the triangle is going to be hypotenuse 109, and then square root of 98 over 2. And then we can use a squared plus b squared equals c squared again. So we're going to do a squared, because we're trying to find this side, plus square root of 98 over 2 squared equals square root of 109 squared. So that's going to simplify to 13 square root of 2 over 2. And then what we're going to do is, so we know this is 1/2 of the angle we're trying to find. So sine of 1/2 the angle is going to be equal to, so it's going to be opposite over hypotenuse, so it's going to be square root of 98 over 2 over square root of 109, which is going to be square root of 98 over 2 square root of 109. And then what we can do is, we know that the cosine of 1/2 the angle is going to be 13 square root of 2 over 2 over square root of 109. And then what we can do is we can use the half angle theorem, which is going to be sine of a plus b equals sine a cosine b plus cosine a sine b. So we can use this, so it's going to be sine of 2a equals 2 sine a cosine a. So then what we can do is the sine of 2a, so it's going to be 2 1/2 a, so our a is going to be 2a. So sine of the angle equals 2 times sine, which we already found is square root of 98 over 2 square root of 109, times 13 square root of 2 over 2 square root of 109, and that's going to be equal to 182 over 2 square root of 109, which is going to simplify to 91 over 109. And that's going to be your answer.